After a mama elephant fails to rescue her baby on her own, an entire herd of elephants team up to pull her baby out from a watering hole. In a life-and-death situation, a mother zebra successfully rescues her baby from the jaws of a hungry and ferocious lion. Watch this gracious bear at the zoo go out of its way to save a drenched crow that was on the brink of drowning to death. A black lab is miraculously plucked out of a raging river by its golden lab buddy, right before going over a waterfall. After accidentally stumbling into the water, this polar bear cub gets a well-needed boost from its mom right in the nick of time. Somehow, this sensitive dog knows that these fish are in trouble and attempts to keep them wet by shoveling water into their gills. A buffalo carefully uses its razor-sharp horn to flip over a turtle that is stuck in an immobile position. A wildebeest narrowly escapes death thanks to this gang of hippos that springs into action against a couple of hunting crocodiles. After seeing his best friend take a spill into the pool, this dog gently uses its sharp teeth to yank his friend out of the pool. This baby pig turned lifeguard quickly swims over to a drowning baby goat to push it to shore.
In the water. Goat in the water.
This mama monkey courageously risks her own life to leap onto a deadly electric wire to bring her terrified baby to safety. After getting its leg caught in the jaws of a crocodile, this wildebeest could thank these two hippos for saving its life. When a shark closes in on this dolphin's best friend, the dolphin reacts at lightning speed to headbutt the shark and take its best friend to safety. When a group of baby penguin chicks is stalked by a deadly bird, a rough and tumble older penguin steps in to defend them. Watch this lion nearly lose its life to a clan of cackle. This hero of a dog comes out of nowhere to defend its cat buddy in a fight with a feral neighborhood cat. Noticing that their friend is in trouble, this heroic dog uses her swimming power to pull an entire boat ashore, ultimately saving her best friend's life. At first, knowing that this mama dog had to act fast, she dives into a tiny hole filled with water to pull her baby pup out just in time. When this dog realizes that this baby deer is in serious danger of drowning, it gently uses its mouth to bring the baby deer to land.
Come on. Good boy, give.
One turtle helps out another turtle by body checking it into the upright position as they both walk away happily. A menacing pack of dogs is harassing a baby kitten, and its mom courageously shows up to fight the dogs off. When a mama cat finds her baby stuck in a tree, she goes up there to give her baby the boost of confidence it needs to come down safely. A group of stray dogs teams up to alert a couple of teen boys to come to the rescue of their friend that's stuck in a pool of water.
No way.
This baby calf receives some unlikely help from a lion that scares off another lion that was attempting to eat it.
There's another lion coming. You protect him. No, he got it.
This hungry dog gets lucky when his parrot friend decides to feed him some of the spaghetti from a pot on the stove. When a hawk swoops in to eat this chicken, the whole farm erupts and teams up to save their friend's life. This vicious leopard is no match for a mama honey badger that's come out of nowhere to defend its baby.
Comes another one. Whoa! Jesus. Look at that. Look how Spuddy's come to help it.
This mother cow is clearly motioning to this motorist that her baby calf is stuck in an electric fence and needs his help. This raccoon does not like the idea of his little brother swimming in the deep end and attempts to pull him in from the pool.